our SPGA President, Mrs. Jory Ganok, ma'am. To our SPGA President, Kinder Level Mr. Sir Kavitana, sir. To our guest speaker, Ms. Ruren Arnaiz, ma'am. Master teachers, dear teachers, parents, classmates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today, we celebrate our kindergarteners' hard work and growth. From learning letters and numbers to making new friends, each of us has taken big steps forward. It is with utmost joy and pride that I welcome all of you to our moving up ceremony with the theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay ng Bagong Pilipinas. We are happy for this first big milestone in our young life. To my fellow kindergarten completers, this is just the beginning. Let's keep on learning, dreaming, and reaching for the stars. Once again, on behalf of the kindergarten class of 2024-2025, I welcome you to our moving up ceremony. Do celebrate this day with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Gibson, for that invigorating